back on the farm, planning to stay put for a little while, and luckily I have plenty of projects to keep me occupied. And one of them is back on Vinny, back on the vintage Caravan. I feel like I have ignored poor Vinny for a while. And another project are the curtains in the bus. I started, but I want to finish this section pretty quick. Oh, you got them. These are the curtains that we're going to be putting up. So I've got one more of these to sew, and we just need to put up this one and yeah, finish the other one. And then it's on to the back. So first project, I want to take out these two rivets and have a look behind, because I know it's leaking in this area. I'm thinking the water is either getting in from there or in here, because there doesn't seem to be any sealant there. Try a larger one. That did it. A little bit's broken off inside, so it's making it harder to work with. But yeah, no sealant in there. I might just get Hayden to help with this one. It's coming out the back. And Hayden put up the railings, so I just need to finish sewing that last one. Much better. There seems to be a real skill for putting sealant on neatly. I don't seem to have that skill just yet, and really did not help things when the tube broke halfway through. Gosh, it's too sunny today. Let's see. That's better. Another project I'm thinking of starting is a class through Skillshare. Now, Skillshare is actually the sponsor of this video. I'm ridiculously excited. So what is Skillshare? Skillshare offers thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. I didn't want to get that wrong. They cover things like filmmaking, marketing, graphic design. You can kind of tunnel in and focus on, say, YouTube videos or Etsy or Canva, which is like the free version of Photoshop. Or then you can kind of just go creative and look into creative writing or music or crafts. There seems to be like a beer making class on there. The one I'm really keen to start is called YouTube Success. Build an authentic channel that's worth the follow. It's by a big YouTuber called Sorelli and more. I've really mucked up her name, I'm sorry. And I've learnt a few tips from her channel before, so I'm keen to go through this class. So I've got a link in the description below for 2 free months to access Skillshare. You get premium membership as well, and it's for the first 1,000 people to click on that link, which I think is pretty safe really. And something a little bit different, I ended up loaning my camera to Hayden for his own project, which was connected to my ute. So what do you think of this? Should I do this again?
So Karen's ute is a bit of a mess in the back, so I found a little bit of ply in my workshop, and I'm going to cut it up a little bit and make it fit in there so that she has a nice little platform to put stuff on and keep it tidy, hopefully. You guys need some of these as well. Now I've cut the width, I've got to work out the depth of the platform at the back. Now I've just got to cut a little piece for the front so that nothing slides off the end. I think it's time to consult with the boss. I thought about doing a division for the trolley jack.
Oh yeah? Yep. So now's the time for me to have a look at the end result.
Go on then.
Go on. I get another container, that's cool. And I get space for the water tank, and I like how the chairs are sitting up there. It's nice and neat, Hayden. Good job.